on her shoes, sharing warmth and care. Emma walks barefoot on the snow, yet her face glows with a serene, peaceful smile. Emma walks barefoot through the snow, her steps leaving gentle prints as the soft winter wind whispers around her. Between the trees, clouds drift low, and moonlight slides gently across the snowy forest. Emma's breath quickens as the cold pierces through, yet she keeps moving forward. But her gaze is always searching, seeking those who may need her help. Suddenly, along the path, an old woman appears, gathering sticks from the snow. She has no scarf, yet carefully gathers sticks from the snowy forest floor.
Oh, what a warm scarf you have!
Would you like to have it?
I wish I had a scarf as warm as yours.
You can have it.
Emma unwraps her warm scarf and gently places it on the old woman's shoulders, sharing her warmth. The old woman's eyes glisten with tears of gratitude, touched by Emma's kindness.
Oh, it's so warm. Thank you. I'm happy it helps you.
Nothing is said, only a tender, loving touch speaks volumes.
The wind picks up. Trees sway gently in the snowy forest.
The darkness deepens, and all that remains with Emma is her simple dress. But she keeps walking. Perhaps someone else is in greater need.
Then she hears the faint sound of a baby crying nearby. She runs forward and finds a tiny baby in a basket, shivering in the cold. Emma's eyes fill with tears as she sees the tiny baby shivering in the cold. She wraps her dress around the baby, sharing every bit of warmth she has.
In this quiet winter clearing, Emma discovers a little one who needs her, and her heart shines with warmth.
The sky suddenly brightens, clouds part, moonlight intensifies,